How to use Zara gift card. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Zara gift card. Now, Zara gift card can be redeemed in store or online by selecting gift card as a payment method and entering the 16-digit number and CV. Now here, if you want to save it for later use, you could go and open a Zara app. And what you want to do is you can simply go to the account section from the bottom right. There you have a my details section and you have these payments, right? Once you go to the payments, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select payment method. And after you do to the payment section, you will be able to find this gift card, right? You will just want to make sure to select gift card, add in the card number, the CVV, and select add. And whenever you're checking out or whenever you're buying certain item, you could use a gift card in order to get certain amount of discount as well. And you could also add your gift card at the checkout procedure instead of saving it for later use as well. So this is how you're supposed to use Zara gift card. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.